Suzuki S-Presso AGS 2023 versus Toyota Wigo G 2023. Overall length:
S-Presso 3,565 mm, Wigo 3,700 mm.
Overall width:
S-Presso 1,520 mm, Wigo 1,600 mm.
Overall height:
S-Presso 1,657 mm, Wigo 1,520 mm.
Wheelbase:
S-Presso 2,380 mm, Wigo 2,450 mm.
Ground clearance:
S-Presso 180 mm, Wigo 180 mm.
Wheel size: S-Presso 14 inches alloy wheels, Wigo 14 inches alloy wheels. Tire size:
S-Presso 165/70 R14, Wigo 175/65 R14.
Turning circle:
S-Presso 4.5 meters, Wigo 4.7 meters.
Fuel type:
S-Presso petrol, Wigo gasoline. Type engine: S-Presso K10C with VVT and ES, Wigo VVT-I.
Number of cylinders:
S-Presso 3, Wigo 3.
Number of valves:
S-Presso 12, Wigo 12.
Piston displacement:
S-Presso 998 cc's, Wigo 998 cc's. Max output: S-Presso 66 horsepowers at 5,500 revolutions per minute, Wigo 66 horsepowers at 6,000 revolutions per minute.
Max torque:
89 nanometers at 3,500 revolutions per minute, Wigo 89 nanometers at 4,400 revolutions per minute.
Transmission:
S-Presso 5 AGS automatic, Wigo 4-speed automatic. Seating: S-Presso 5 persons, Wigo 5 persons.
Luggage:
S-Presso 239 liters, Wigo.
Fuel tank:
S-Presso 27 liters, Wigo 33 liters.
Gross vehicle weight:
S-Presso 1,170 kilograms, Wigo 860 kilograms. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.